Hello everyone, welcome back to Safara Art Studio. I am Farzana, self-learning artist. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do like, share and add your valuable feedback in the comment box below. Color theory is a fundamental base of understanding for artists and should not be ignored. Color theory will help you understand the relationship between colors and how we perceive them. Color. What we see when we look at objects, people, and landscapes. It includes the full spectrum of the rainbow. So, what is value? The lightness or darkness of a color, tint, or shade. Hue. Another word for color. By adding a descriptor word to a color, we can describe the color more specifically. Yellow is a color. Lemon yellow is a more specific color of yellow. Shade. The color that results when black is added to a hue. Tone. The color that results when a neutral gray is added to a hue. Tint. The color that results from the addition of white to a hue. Tint strength. The ability of a color to maintain its strength when another color, such as white, is added to it. The placement of the colors around the color wheel along with their proximity or distance from one another helps us understand contrast. When you focus on one color, then look directly across or opposite from it, you will find its complement, a color with high contrast to the first color. Colors far away from each other on the color wheel have the greatest contrast. Colors adjacent to each other on the color wheel have the lowest contrast. Red, blue, yellow are the single voices in the color wheel. They cannot be mixed using any other colors. They are continuously involved in multiple color conversations as they interact with each other with the colors that are created between and amongst them. Mix them all together and you can create a chromatic black. Cool colors such as blue, purple, and green provide a sense of calm and relaxation because they are visual reminder of elements of nature like water, sky, and grass. Opposite to warm colors, cool colors looks as though they are further away or receding from us. What are the benefits of underpainting? And underpainting can quickly change the value of your canvas from bright white to something closer to the overall value of the scene you are painting. This can make it easier to judge value and color relationships. Once applied, you can proceed to cover up all the underpainting as you complete the painting. colors. These colors are created when the primaries mix with each other. Therefore, red and yellow create orange, blue and yellow create green, red and blue create violet. These colors are also strong voices within color wheel, with the added advantage of having additional nuances as a result of their combined voices. Mixing a primary and a secondary any color together will lead you to a brown. The third one, tertiary color or intermediate color. These colors are created when the secondary colors are mixed, giving us red orange, yellow green, blue violet, and red violet. What is the best color for an underpainting? As mentioned earlier, underpainting is most effective when painted in monochromatic tones. Many artists use darker tones such as burnt sienna, raw umber, or ultramarine blue to achieve the most significant effect. I hope you found this video very useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.